Hello, this is Annette from needlepointers.com. With fall quickly approaching, it is time to decorate your home with fun fall-themed and Halloween decorations. Pumpkins are a great part of the fall season. No-carved pumpkins are a great seasonal decorating idea for all ages. This, cute as a button pumpkin, will pretty up your home. Let me show you how to make it. To make the button pumpkin, you will need to gather your supplies. You will need a fake pumpkin, a hot glue gun or E6000 glue, buttons, a pencil, tape measure, and a bow, which is optional. Now it's time to mark your pumpkin into sections. As you can see, I've already done that on my pumpkin. This is a small pumpkin, so I decided on 6 sections, but if you have a larger pumpkin, you might want more. In order to do that, what I did was I measured with a measuring tape around the middle of the pumpkin, and my pumpkin happens to be 26 around the middle, so I knew that it was going to be 13 inches from the one side to the other side of the pumpkin, and then I divided the other sections equally. I used a pencil to draw the lines where the sections would be and how far down I wanted to put the buttons. Now you have to apply glue to the pencil lines, and you can use a hot glue gun, or if children are doing this project, I would recommend using the E6000 glue. Just apply the glue to the line and then place your buttons. It really doesn't matter. I'm just randomly placing them. Different colors, different sizes. You can do it however you'd like. And apply it all the way to the top. And then continue applying glue to the line and buttons until you have all the lines completed. Okay, once you have the lines all done, then it's time to add more buttons all along the top. So just put some glue all along the top and start adding buttons. They can be big, they can be small, whatever you want to just fill in and make the top a little pretty with a bunch of buttons. Now when you're doing this, you can also, if you want, you can do it in patterns. So let me continue to do this, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm finished. I finished putting the buttons on the top, and now I am going to put a ribbon on. And what I did is I made a little ribbon, and I put a button in the middle, and I'm going to just place that on there with some hot glue. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a button pumpkin and decide to make some yourself. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, just click the iCard or the link in the description section. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of crafting information and projects.